yours? Yep, here they come. So they are going to be alone. Yeah, see, it's so dark. Look at this guy, he's got the tilt-in wheels. He can go really fast with those, right? Except he's sitting upright.
Well, they came out better. I didn't get anybody, but let me fix the camera. You can put it on light stuff. Start for another 12 minutes. What? Yeah, I guess I could turn it off. It can start for another 12 minutes. Oh, they're doing it in a regular wheelchair. Long way to go. Oh, here comes the first runners. What? No, Kimberly didn't even take off 10 minutes. Yeah, so it's way too dark. I got a view of something. The runners are so tiny.
How do you do it on night? So you make it night.
Turn it off.
Turn it off?
Oh, here they come.
Yeah, well, she's not going to be yet.
Wow.